Buying a house is a lot more than just finding a house and putting a contract in. There are a lot of steps along the way. First of all, you want to get pre-approved, especially in this market. A seller is not going to even entertain your offer if you don't have a pre-approval letter. Once we've nailed down your wants and your needs and we find the right house, the next step is to put the offer in, and then I will work with you to negotiate the sales price, the terms, the closing date, all those fine details. After the contract has been accepted, then we start doing our due diligence. So that includes a home inspection, because even in new construction, you want to make sure that you understand what is going on in the house. Not necessarily because there will be any deal breakers, but you'll find out information that will help you also then prioritize maintenance issues. Part of the inspection process will be getting a 4-point inspection done. That's going to look at your roof, your AC, your plumbing, and your electric. Those are the 4 items that a homeowner's insurance company is going to look at when they're determining if they want to put the risk into providing homeowner's insurance for you. And that is also a required part of getting your mortgage. Once we get through the inspection period, which can involve negotiation, if let's say the 4-point comes back and the roof doesn't pass, or we find out that there are some minor but numerous issues within the home inspection, we can negotiate to have those repairs done by the seller, or we can negotiate credit at closing, depending on what the issue is. Also, during the due diligence, that's the time when you find out what's the cost going to be for your homeowner's insurance, confirming you're in the school district you think you're in, property lines are where they are, all of those kinds of things. Once we get through that period, the next step is getting the appraisal done. That is something that your lender will coordinate, and a bank is going to require an appraisal to make sure that the loan that you're requesting is the amount appropriate for the value of the house. Once we get through that appraisal process, then the next step is clear to close. So that's where you're going to provide all of those last minute questions and answers from underwriting, updated W-2 or updated pay stubs, and answer any miscellaneous questions about deposits, things like that. It happens in almost every situation. It's just your mortgage company crossing their T's and dotting their I's, nothing to be worried about. And then we get to the big day, closing. And that's when everything is finalized. You will sign papers for 45 minutes, and then the title company will send everything in and get it finalized. And that day you should have your keys and be ready to move in.